Hello everyone, I am Gustavo from Shining 3D, and today I'm really excited to introduce you our new high-precision 3D inspection system, the OptimScan Q12. It is a cutting-edge scanning and inspection solution equipped with two sets of 12-megapixel industrial cameras that ensures high-precision data capture with exceptional details. Thanks to the dual camera setup, it offers two scan ranges. Whether you are working with tiny intricate parts or medium-sized components, the OptimScan Q12 can cover all those kind of sizes. Switching between these two ranges is super easy. You don't have to do it manually. Just one click on the software and the cameras will switch automatically. This flexibility allows both ranges to be used within a single scanning project, streamlining your workflow and making data fusion more efficient. If you have tried scanning complex objects, like those with deep holes or intricate fixtures, you know how tricky it is to get the complete data. That's exactly why we added this function called Monocular Stereo Fusion. MSF alternates scans between the single and the dual camera setups, ensuring that the deep areas are truly captured, which can deliver a more complete and accurate data set. MSF is essential for objects with complicated shapes or cavities, providing superior results compared to the traditional scanning methods. We have also built in some smart exposure features to help you to get the best result no matter what are you scanning. The auto exposure takes care of everything for you, adjusting the settings based on the object, ensuring consistent and accurate results. Multi-time exposure helps to capture high contrast details in just one scan, enhancing the quality of the data for objects with different materials. And if you like to adjust the exposure by yourself, we have related settings too. Another handy feature is the remote controller. This is useful if your scanner is set up a bit far from your computer. That means you don't need to run back and forth. And if you are looking for a fully automated solution, the OptimScan Q12 can be integrated with robots for precise and repetitive inspection tasks. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in learning more about or seeing the OptimScan Q12 in action, stick around and we got some cool demos coming up.